University Manuela Beltrán. Subject English 2. My name is Cristian Espinosa Velasco. Important events in my life. Categories. Your favorite vacation. A challenging situation. Your favorite moment at school. Where did you go? I went to San Francisco, California. How did you go with? I went with my wife Angelica. When was that vacation? We went on May for winter. What was that situation about? When I was going to drive a truck the first time. When did that situation happen? It happened 15 years ago. How did you feel? I was very nervous. Who were you with? Who were you with? I was with my best friend. When did that event happen? When I was in fourth grade. We were you? I was in the classroom. Conclusion. In this activity, the goal management of the sample parts in questions or answers, and it is grammar for the improvement of the English language are clear. Thank you so much.